English tip by tip.
Tip 27. Verb to have. Present tense. I and you have. He, she, and it has. We, you, and they have. Past tense. All persons had. Past participle. I and you have had. He, she, and it has had. We, you, and they have had. Present participle. I am having. You are having. He, she, and it is having. We, you, and they are having. Tip 27. Exercise. Change to the past tense.
I have a pet.
I had the pet.
My house has 2 rooms.
My house had 2 rooms.
She has lunch at home every day.
She had lunch at home every day.
He has a meeting at the office.
He had a meeting at the office.
We have a shower after swimming.
We had a shower after swimming.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.